In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoice on Wise. If you need to pay an invoice through Wise, the process is very straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to get to the right section and upload your invoice so you can move forward with your payment. Make sure you're already signed into your Wise account before you begin, since that will save you time and help everything go smoothly. Start by going to the Wise homepage. This is the main dashboard area where you can access your balances, transfers, and payment tools. If you've just logged in, you'll usually land here automatically. Take a moment to make sure the page has fully loaded so all the navigation options are visible. Once you're on the home page, click on Payments. This section is where Wise groups together the tools related to making and managing payments. If you're not sure where to click at first, look along the main navigation area for the Payments option. Selecting it will take you closer to the invoice payment workflow. After that, click on Pay Invoices. This is the specific area designed for handling invoice-related payments. Wise separates regular payments from invoice payments, so choosing Pay Invoices helps make sure you're using the correct feature. This can also help keep your records more organized, especially if you use Wise for business or vendor payments. On the next screen, click Upload an Invoice. This is the step where you add the invoice file you want to pay. When you select this option, Wise will prompt you to choose the invoice document from your device. Before uploading, it's a good idea to make sure the file is easy to read and includes the correct payment details, since that can help avoid delays or mistakes later in the process. As a quick tip, double check that you're uploading the right invoice version if you've received more than one copy or a revised document. It's also helpful to confirm that the invoice matches the amount and recipient you expect to pay. Taking a few extra seconds here can make the rest of the payment process much easier. And that's how to get to the invoice upload section in Wise, so you can begin sending an invoice payment. Once your invoice is uploaded, you'll be ready to continue with the payment details in Wise. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.